And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look once again to same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. First figure is hesitation change. We dance first 3 steps of natural, turn and then hesitation itself. We continue with first 3 steps of reverse turn and dance weave in waltz time, which takes 2 bars. We finish in promenade position, and from here we dance chasse from promenade position. We continue with natural spin turn into corner. Notice ladies brush here. We dance 4 to 6 of reverse turn, and we finish with closed change. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, make preparation movement and start diagonally to wall with first 3 steps of natural turn. Second bar of hesitation change, we move down, line of dance. Now diagonally to center, we move with reverse turn. Diagonally to wall, we start weaving waltz time and continue diagonally to center and finish diagonally to wall, moving with chasse from promenade position diagonally into corner. Same direction, we start natural spin turn, second bar around the corner, and then we move diagonally to center with reverse turn second part, and diagonally to wall with closed change. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.